2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm just going to do a quick video here to show you how to do a spark plug change on the 4-cylinder in the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It's really quite easy. All you need to do is, this is the cover that covers the coil packs. So you just remove those 3 10mm bolts. And once you remove those bolts, that cover comes right off. And then you have all of your 4 coil packs here, and these are 10mm bolts as well. So you unplug the coil pack, use your 10mm socket, remove the 10mm bolt, and then just pull the coil pack out. And then I'm using a 5/8 or a 16mm will work, deep spark plug socket, and then you just loosen the spark plug and it'll come out. And that's all there is to it. Then you just repeat the steps for the others, and then just reverse the steps. Put the new spark plug in, put in your coil pack, plug it in, and then button it up. It's a really simple job. So if anyone is wondering how to do this on a Mitsubishi Outlander 4-cylinder, this is how to do it. I appreciate y'all watching. Until next time.